Hi there, today I will be guiding it through how to transfer a file to someone in Dropbox. Transferring a file to someone else in Dropbox is a simple task. Dropbox is a widely used cloud storage service, and sharing files through it is not only efficient, but also very secure. And for this I have two ways. The first one is you can transfer the whole file just by copying the link. Once you upload the file in the Dropbox, click on the copy link. It's important to make sure your file has fully uploaded before you share it, otherwise the recipient may not be able to access it. Once you will click on it, below you can see a link for this file. And for copying it, simply click on the copy link and make sure this option is enabled. Anyone with this link can be. If it is not, click on the icon Manage. This gives the person access to the file without needing a Dropbox account, which is really convenient. And select this option. And send this link to that person, to which you want to share or transfer this file. Another ways you can transfer a copy of this file. And for this, click on the option, Transfer a Copy, and select the file that you want to transfer. Just like I will select this one, and it will hit Choose. This method is useful when you want the recipient to have their own version of the file without affecting the original. Now the transfer file has been created. This option is Link. I can transfer this file with the help of a link, and if I click on the option Email, then I will enter the email address of that person to which I want to transfer. Just double check the email to make sure it's correct. Dropbox will send the file directly there. And then I will hit Transfer, but I will do it with the help of Link. I will click on the option Link and will tap on Create Transfer. It's now creating, and now it's saying your file is ready to send. Hit Copy Link or Send by email. You can also manage your transfer by clicking on option Manage Transfer. But like I said, I will transfer it with the help of a link, so I will click on the link. Now it has been copied. Send this link to the next person, and he will get a copy of that same file and he can download it and use it for his own purpose. And that's it.